You see, each time I make a sale like this, you can see the sale here, sale. Which each time I make a sale like this, I try to go and check what I have done. Like maybe check my videos that is online, check my videos in other social media platform, and see where the sale is coming from. Like what did I do to be able to draw those people to be able to make sale? Like I don't even have to be there. I don't even have to talk to anybody. But someone just saw my product and bought it. He doesn't know me. I don't know him, and he had access to the product. Right now, let me tell you something. To be able to make money with affiliate marketing, you have to think. And one of the greatest way and fastest way and most accurate way to think is to think like gurus, right? Think like the gurus. Think like all of these experts in the affiliate marketing, the ones that are creating videos for you. Now, you have to understand that some people are creating videos in such a way that they lure you to now go to their product so that they can now get sale. Like they lure you to buy their product. Then that is where you now start the journey. No, see, there's a possibility for you as a beginner to just get right access to right information, like I'm just doing right now to give you. If you can use your head to think, if you just get this right access to the information, if you get the information, you're able to figure out things your way. You understand? See, I made a part 1 of this particular video, this particular series, and I'm going to leave the link under the description of the video. The part 1, watch that part 1 and then come to the part 2, right? Or you can watch, but I'll recommend you watch the part 1 and then come to the part 2. Now, I am trying as much as possible to make you understand the way gurus think in this affiliate marketing industry, right? You can just come to the internet, take a product and think. How can this product that I've taken be of use to somebody or to some people? Where can I get these people, right? And how do I make them buy this product? What are the things I'm to do, right? Because if you come to the internet and you're just watching strategies upon strategies, there's a lot of videos that you're watching. The strategies are different types, and you have to sit down and try these strategies and test these strategies. So it's not guaranteed that most of these strategies or all of these strategies will work. Are you getting the point? So you have to sit down and think like the way gurus think, right? So I'm going to show you a roadmap. I started it in the part 1. Please go watch the part 1. Link is under the description of the video. Then you can now come to this part 2. I will try to do a series, right? Depending on if you like the video. That means I want to make sure that people are actually getting knowledge from what I'm doing. If I don't see you commenting below, I'm going to stop making the video. Like I'm going to stop making this series, giving you the information about how the gurus think when it comes to affiliate marketing, right? Let's jump right and let's continue from where we stopped from the order. If you're here for the first time, my name is Victor and I make videos around affiliate marketing, AI, business, and making money on the internet and mindset shift for wealth, right? So if this is what you're interested in, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share this video with 5 friends, 5 of your best friends or 5 of your enemies. So you can share it with them and help them, right? So now let's go and let me continue and let me show you how the gurus think and how you should think, the roadmap you should follow, the mindset you should have. In the part 1 of this video, we talked about this. I said you as an affiliate marketer, this is you here with your product, and I use blue as your product. You have your product. If you've registered on a platform and then you have product, platforms like StayCut, platforms like the G4G affiliate marketing program, G4. This is my own particular program. I'll talk more about this as you proceed in the video. The moment you've taken your product, you can choose to follow 2 lines, right? You can choose to follow 2 lines as an affiliate marketer. The moment you've taken your product, the first line, the first part to follow is specific for those people that don't have money and they are just starting up the business, right? Because it's a business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's a business, right? So the first part is for people that don't have so much money and they're coming into the business. The second part is for people that have money, right? And they're coming into the business. So you choose which one depending on what you have, right? So if you're choosing the first part, it costs you money. Let's say the first part costs you money, right? And that's what I explained in the part 1 of this video. Watch the part 1. I keep on emphasizing you have to watch part 1 to understand this part 2, right? The first part, this is the first part, it costs you, right? The second part to follow is free. But because it's free, it's going to take time, right? One of my students right now, she doesn't really have a lot of money, right? And she's actually taking the free part, but there's an advantage of the free part and there's also like a disadvantage. Disadvantage is that it's going to take you time. The advantage is that I'm going to explain the advantage. Now you have decided to take the free part, right? Free part. Now, what do you need in this free part? You need serious focus on social media. Now, taking advantage of media, right, will now lead you to start to create content, right? Or you're going to borrow content, right? So you can either create content or borrow content. Now, it's not just by creating content, but creating strategic content, right? Now, you have to understand that the content that you're creating, it has to be strategic, right? Let's say, for instance, I want to start selling, let me use this, my water bottle, right? Now, for instance, I want to start selling water bottle or water, like bottled water, right? And I've given myself, let's say 3 months, right? I've given myself 3 months. That's why I say it takes time. I've given myself 3 months to build an audience. 3 months, right? What are the kind of content I will be feeding my audience? Let me explain. So I'm going to start creating contents like, okay, these are 5 reasons why bottled water is more important than pure water. These are 2 reasons why bottled water is more safer to drink than drinking pure water, right? So I'm strategically creating content in such a way that I position the mind of my audience to like, okay, first to be interested, right? To like this idea, to recognize me as the best guy to go to when it's something about water bottle, right? So within 3 months, if I'm consistently, continually posting contents like this, I have upper chance. I am at an upper advantage, right? When I eventually now say I have water bottle to sell, and I now say, if you're interested in buying water bottle, this is water bottle, buy it. See, you have to be strategic in creating content. Just because now you're going through the freeway, you shouldn't just be creating content anyhow. Now, there's something we call content leveraging, right? So you can leverage on content. I perfectly taught this in my school, right? The G4G Affiliate Marketing program, like the school, right? You can leverage on people's content and post it, right? So you'll be able to take the particular or specific kind of content that infuse the agenda of selling a particular product that you want to sell, right? So you're going to train the audience over time, right? Organically. So what I'm saying is that you have given yourself 3 months, right, to train your audience, right? So let's say these are your audience here. These are your audience, right? These are your audience. So these are your audience. And so you'll be making content around this your product, right? Around this. You've not even introduced the product. You'll be making content around this your product. So like what I explained, why bottled water is more better and safer than pure water. Like give them reasons, like posting strategic content. I'm just using water bottle, like bottled water instead of like other product, but you get the point. I just hope you're understanding me, right? So now after this stream, in the face of this stream, or like early to this 3 months, you can now test. You can now say, guys, this is my product, the bottled water. Come, like you can now like get access to this bottled water for just this fee. This is the link, and I can tell you that you have upper chance to the roof of these guys buying your product, right? Why, Victor? Why do I have upper chance? You have upper chance because your audience have now liked you and have now trust you and have now associated you with bottled water. So it's very easy for them to just buy from you, right? That is why. So that is the second way that you can now look at affiliate marketing. See, most of these content creators or marketers, right, are just marketing things, right? So they don't make videos in such a way that you get the information that you really like are supposed to get. So most of these YouTubers or most of marketers make 2 kinds of content. The first content that they make is just to make you confused, right? Jumping from one place to the other, carrying links. This is a strategy. This puts links there is a strategy. Creating like a physio idea, like a false idea about how you can possibly make money, right? But all of these ideas are just, they are not tangible enough, right? Now, the second kind of content is kind of content whereby people put you through a sales pitch, right? I'm a marketer, so I understand how these things work. So putting you through a sales pitch is giving you information, right? But it doesn't give you everything. It just gives you like the tip of the iceberg, right? So when you now taste honey and they now draw it from you, that's just how it is. Like they give you honey to taste, like this. You taste honey and then they draw it away from you. So it's a sales pitch in such a way that you are not going to take you're not going to follow everything, then you're now going to go into like buying a course, right? So but you don't need, I'm promising you, like I have a school, right, called the G4G Affiliate Marketing School, right? Its link is going to be under the description of the video. If you're interested, you can go for that school, right? But the information I'm giving you, I promise you, you can actually make sales. The only reason why you need mentorship is so that there are stumbling blocks that your mentor can help you, right? So that is where like I can help you, because you don't have access to all the information, but you can get key access to key information. So if you've gotten value from this video, like the video, subscribe and share and comment also, so that I'm now going to see if I can make a part 3. That's depending on the if I don't get any comment from this video, I'm not making any part 3. Like I'm not making any part 3, to be honest with you. It means that people don't even care about valuable information. Subscribe to the channel, right? All the link about what I've mentioned is under the description of the video. So bye.